Hi guys. Today we are going to be doing some KARRUECHE braids. You know the braids that you do cane row all the way back? Yeah, that's what we're going to be trying today. I'm starting off this style on freshly washed and conditioned hair as usual, and in this instance my hair has been blown out. The hair that I'm going to be using is the XPRESSION braiding hair. This hair is pre-stretched and it is 50 inches. I started off the style by parting a small section around the back of my head. In this section I'm going to be doing 3 rows of individual braids. This hair is my favorite hair to do braids on. I feel like I get the best results when I use this hair. Alright, so now let's get into the nitty-gritty of this style. I did a preliminary part down the middle of my head, so now I'm applying some edge control to get the part as straight as I possibly can. This part of the style was particularly hard for me for some strange reason. I did use my rat tail comb, but that didn't make parting any easier for me. There was a point during this parting session that I wanted to give up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
But I didn't give up. I decided to do 2 braids off camera to get my mojo, and then I returned to show you guys how I achieved this style. Unfortunately, this is not a how to cane row video. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that you could reference for that, but if you want me to make one, let me know in the comment section down below. This method of feeding braids, I learned to do it on YouTube by just watching it. I don't know how to explain it to you, so I hope you can get a visual as to what it is that I am doing. I am feeding in the XPRESSION braiding here when my pointer finger and my thumb is ready for it. That is the best way I know how to explain it. So I braid a little bit, then I feed in some of the hair, then I braid a little bit, then I feed in some of the hair. I don't have a particular rhyme or rhythm as to how I do it. No particular system. I just braid as naturally as it comes to me. And I suggest that if you are a beginner braider, you do the same. You do what feels best and you do what comes natural to you. Me, I am just braiding and just feeding in as the motion allows me to. Now I am going to allow you to watch the video and see if you can visualize it for yourself to get an understanding, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I do when I'm done with my braids. Alright guys, don't forget, if you like this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel already. These are the types of videos that I do: braiding videos, natural hair videos, beauty content, and a few vlogs here and there. So subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future uploads. So at this point my hair is done and I'm relieved, and now I'm going to be adding in my oil. This is an oil blend that I like to use on my scalp. I am just oiling my scalp because it was feeling a little bit dry at this point. So I'm gonna oil it with my oil blend and then I'm going to work it into my scalp. Don't forget to add your mousse if you want to. I don't use it on all my styles, but for the most part I do use mousse. Right, so this is the final results, and yes, this was a couple of days later. You get the idea and the vision of the style and how it came out. It is perfect for the summer. I love the way how my hair is not in my face, and I can do a lot of styles with it. I can catch it up in one. I can do 2 pigtails. I can do a long braided ponytail. I really enjoyed this style. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and give me a big thumbs up if you liked this video. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.